Okay, the first step I'm going to start with is color corrector. I've done my skin prep already, in the sense I have washed, moisturized and sunscreen. So I don't usually use a primer. I directly go in with my base. So I found that there's no problem with me directly going in with color corrector, like on my skin. I don't get acne or anything, so that's chill. So I'm just correcting around my mouth, sides of the mouth. Yeah. And then I'll also add some to my under eye. Cool. So I have added a bit of color corrector right where I have dark circles. Awesome. And now I'm gonna go in with a foundation directly and not use any concealer. So foundation I'm using is Clinique Even Better Makeup SPF 15 and it's in the shade Oat. So I'm just gonna use this all over. This is what the shade looks like. It's a little bit yellow. I go in with my fingers directly, you guys, with foundation. I really like this foundation. It is fragrance free and it's got a little bit of SPF happening and it just really suits my skin. Like, it's got a bit of a dewy finish. Like, it's definitely not matte. So there's this glow situation happening, which I like. But yeah, this foundation really works great for my skin. It's not given me any issues like acne or anything like that, which I appreciate. Okay, I am foundationed. Skin's looking pretty glowy. I love that. You don't need a dewy primer if your foundation is already dewy. Hi. Don't need an additional product for that. Okay, fun. Clean up a little because I'll be using my fingers again. Okay, setting. K-Beauty loose powder. This is my new addition in terms of powder. The other mist layer one which I was using has a little bit of a tint to it, and this is completely like tintless. It's like translucent, like there's no color. So it just pretty much mattifies wherever you want it to be matte. So maybe I can put some there. Okay, something's being mattified. Let me just get the powder out doing this. Like, it's got this little mesh thing happening. I mean, I like the powder. I can't say I'm in love with this situation. You know, it's not really the most convenient. But that's just a personal preference thing. Like, I'd rather tap it out and dip my brush in. I don't know. I mean, I think they try to do this so that like a little less quantity comes out. Like, you don't waste much. But it requires a lot more pressing to get a little bit on the brush. Can't say I'm crazy about the packaging. I mean, the packaging as in the mechanism of this. Like, I love the packaging in the sense with K-Beauty is like famous for their packaging. Their packaging is dope because it's got like K written everywhere. Okay, I've set a little bit under the eye. You can set a little around the nose. Okay, so the rest I've kept dewy because I want that dewiness on my cheek and like around my face. I can do a little bit of contour now. Contour palette, contour brush. I won't do much of this stuff because I feel like I want the blush to be standing out this time. So I'm going to chill with the contour. Okay, just a tad bit. Yeah, I'm going to chill with the contour today. Honestly, I add the contour, not even to actually contour. Like, I love this color because it's mostly like a bronzer. Like, it adds this warmth to my face, which I really like. It's not even with the objective of like creating cheekbones, you know. It's that overall sun-kissed look that I really like. So I mostly use it as a bronzer actually. Okay, cool. Also, I just want to tell you guys like what I like. I found out by trying a bunch of things and seeing what works for me, but there's honestly no rules. Like, you can try out a bunch of different tones, different colors, and see what you like the best. That's the most important thing. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with a blush. It's by MAC. So I got this stuff and the red lipstick, and this came free with it. Hi. So this is equally as good of a product compared to those two. And it's a very moussey, like, it's not a powdery texture. It's like a mousse, you know, something you can just, do you see that? It just adds this little whiff of color, and I love that I can use my fingers and I don't have to like get a blush brush. Love this. It's so pretty, this pink. I love it. I was not a blush person before. I really disliked blush. I didn't like the way it looked, and then this came into my life. Hi, I'm grateful. Okay, fun. I can do some eyeliner. Okay, this part requires focus. Hello, I have done my eyeliner. It is winged and sorted. Now I think I'm going to do brows. So recently my brow situation has been using this brow gel. So I basically just comb them up, and this is so satisfying. Like, check this out. Cute. We're looking groomed. The fact that I've combed them into place, it is going to stay this way for some time. Like, I have noticed that this, like when I look in the mirror, all the extras are brushed up and parallel to each other after using this. So I appreciate that. I think I'm going to go in with my lip situation now. Lip balm a little bit. I use Vaseline Lip Therapy. Any Vaseline will do. I think Vaseline is the best. I hope this is my trusted, yeah, this is my chestnut Wet n Wild. I'm gonna go in with a nude lip situation. Lips have been lined. Now, Huda Beauty. Huda Beauty Anniversary. Okay, that is how that looks. Cute. Yeah, I've done the darker lip lining more and less of this stuff. So the outsides and the sides are darkened a little bit more, and right in the center of my lower lip is mostly is where I've put this lipstick. Okay, I think now we can try the lip injection. Ooh.